Hi, cool guys. Thank you for clicking. Welcome to this pronunciation lesson on TH sound. In English, TH has two different pronunciations. Now we're going to see those pronunciations and practice some words with them, and also look at the TH sounds in the different parts of the word and how we can pronounce it. Here we have sound th. I know it seems really silly and funny, but you just put your tongue between your teeth like this. And exhale or blow. Look at these words with th sound. Here we have some words with th sound in the first position. Think. Thank. Thursday. Everybody, please listen and repeat. Think. Thank. Thursday. Here we have sound in the second position. We have three words here. Nothing, athlete, author. Everybody listen and repeat. Nothing, athlete, author. Not otter or offer. It's author. Focus on the sound. I know you feel funny, but every English speaker does it. If they really paid attention to it, they would feel funny too. Finally, in the third position, we have health, stealth, earth. Listen and repeat. Health, stealth, earth. This is another TH sound. It's similar to in that you put your tongue between your teeth like this. But with this one, there is more of a vibration. The. Your tongue has to vibrate a little bit. The sound is the. It's like a motorcycle. Let's practice the sound in different positions. So we have they, that, then. Listen and repeat. They, that, them. Okay, excellent. If you still say day, dat, dan, or anything like that, today try to focus and make this sound. One more time. they, that, them. Very good. Exaggerate, please. The best way to learn difficult pronunciation is to exaggerate when you're learning it for the first time. So, here we have 3 words where the sound is in the middle position. Feather, leather, together. Listen and repeat. Feather, leather, together. Finally, we have the sound in the 3rd position. Breathe, bathe, loathe. Listen and repeat. Breathe. Bathe. Loathe. Well done. Finally, we have the sound. The. We're just going to get through all the words and make sure you can tell the difference between the 2 sounds. Think, thank, Thursday, nothing, athlete, author, health, stealth, earth, they, that, them, feather, leather, together, breathe, bathe, loathe. Okay, well done. If you want to practice your pronunciation, I invite you to my conversation club. Good luck, all you cool guys.